Hello guys, my name is Vlad and I'm a solar installation technician for XOLAR. For this specific owner, we are doing a Tesla Powerwall, which I think is the best product right now on the market.
The process with solar has been pretty smooth. If there is a blackout, then I know I can run my house on the storage that I might have for at least a few days.
Why homeowners should go with XOLAR is because they will get the best service that is available on the market. The Tesla products as well have its own requirements in terms of the clearance and its location. So for us, it's very important to guide homeowners through the whole process.
The quality of the panels have considerably gone up over the years and the price has gone down. I tried to benchmark against some of the battery storage units available in the market. Tesla battery comes with an inbuilt inverter. It's an 11.5 kilowatt inverter. I think it's one of the best in the market. So I don't need to have two separate units, just in one inbuilt, nice, slick looking unit.
One Tesla wall or you need a couple, you can always increase your system capacity. You can add Tesla chargers, and there is lots of things that can be installed.
The experience of working with everyone, from the installation teams to the inspection teams to their customer service teams, and of course their sales, everyone I have spoken to have been extremely knowledgeable.
We've been installing battery energy systems for the past year since Government of Ontario introduced a new program for batteries where homeowner can take advantage of getting an extra $10,000 on installing their solar system plus their backup power bank.
I got some very educated answers from everyone I spoke with at Solar. So a big thumbs up.